So, here are the girlies. Zati. Dax is coming to say hello. Whee, hello. And there's Luna. Very curious girlies. Zati is just sat there going, I'll have my dinner now, please. Here we go. Dax having a nice investigate. There's Luna. Come on, girlie, you're not getting away. Come on. It's not time to play now. Come on. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. It's alright. It's okay. Hello, Luna. This is a real progress for Luna. Oh, look, Dax has come out to play. Come on, sweetie. Oh, in we go. Can't come out now. Say night-night. Oh, sorry, guys. You can come out again to play tomorrow, though. You can. Hey, look, Zati's come to say hello. Hello, sweetie. And that's their dinner there. So they're not really hungry, they just want treats. But they've had enough nice stuff for today. And Zati, she's so sweet. There's Luna, off she goes. Little zippy rat. And the crazy little guys. Night-night, ratlings.